What if something as simple as walking, the one thing you trust the most for your health, is slowly putting stress on your knees without you even realizing it? After 60, walking feels safe, natural, even recommended. And that's true. Walking is good for your heart, your mood, your overall health. But here's what most people never hear: walking the wrong way every single day can quietly increase pressure on your knees. And over time, that pressure adds up. It doesn't happen overnight. There's no sudden pain at first, just small changes. A little stiffness, a little discomfort, maybe a slight hesitation when you stand up or climb stairs. And, like most people, you ignore it, thinking it's just age. But what if it's not just age? What if it's a habit, something you're doing every day, that's slowly weakening your knees instead of protecting them? Because after 60, it's not just about staying active, it's about how you move. And today, you're going to learn the small walking mistakes that can make a big difference and what to do instead to keep your knees strong, stable, and pain-free. Let's start with something simple: how you place your foot every time you take a step. Most people, without realizing it, land too hard on their heel or keep their steps stiff, almost like they're bracing for impact. Over time, this creates repeated pressure that travels from your foot straight up to your knees. And here's the problem: your knees are not designed to absorb all that force alone. They rely on support from your muscles, especially your thighs and your glutes. But when those muscles are weak, your knees take over, doing more work than they should. And slowly, that's where discomfort begins. This is why some people who walk every day still experience knee issues. It's not because walking is bad, it's because the body is not moving in a supported way. After 60, muscle strength naturally declines, especially in the thighs and hips. And when that happens, walking alone is not enough to maintain joint stability. That's why focusing only on steps without strengthening the muscles can lead to imbalance and increased stress on the knees. The good news is, small adjustments can make a big difference. 1. Walk softer. Control your steps. Instead of landing hard, try to walk with softer steps. Let your foot roll naturally from heel to toe. This reduces impact and spreads the pressure evenly. To shorten your stride, long steps may feel faster, but they increase strain on your knees. Slightly shorter steps help you stay more balanced and controlled. 3. Strengthen before you walk. This is the part most people miss. Before relying on walking, your muscles need to be active. Simple movements like sit-to-stand, heel raises, gentle lunges can wake up your muscles and support your knees. During walking, after 60, your body doesn't need extreme workouts. It needs the right support. Walking is still one of the best habits you can have. But when you combine it with awareness and simple strength, it becomes even more powerful. It's not about stopping movement, it's about improving it. So your knees feel supported, your steps feel confident, and your body stays strong for the years ahead. Now I'd like to ask you, have you ever noticed discomfort after walking? Or do your knees feel fine? Let me know in the comments, because your experience might help someone else understand what their body is telling them.